In full here, here, and here.
Because I always put things there.
What is here, Dad?
No, there. I don't know where they are. Turn it off. Argument time. With love.
Where's the argument? With love. Santa Claus, oh. Magkano to? How much is this? Good morning! Hi, baby! Hi! Hi! Say hi! Yes? Good morning, lalabs! Welcome back to our channel. And kung bago po pala kayo dito, ako po si Len. It's another day today. Si Dada nagre-ready pa for work. Si Sofia dito na sa baba, nanood ng TV while waiting sa kanyang drink. Choco drink lang si Sofia every morning. 1 times a day. Sometimes dalawa pag gusto niya. So, eto yung parang Ovaltine or Milo sa Pilipinas. Tapos, may sabi to mga vitamins. So, gusto ko kasing yung mainit yung maligamgam. Yung iniinom niya in the morning. Ayan lang. Tapos lagyan ko siya ng konting water. Ganun. Konting water lang. So, kumusta kayo mga lalabs? Free pala ako today. So, dito tayo sa bahay. As usual, mama duties. Mga labahin, plantsahin, vacuumin. Lahat na iba-vacuum natin. Yun yung gagawin natin for today. Tapos, lalabas tayo later. Bibili tayo ng isda. Tsaka, bibili ako ng squid para kay Sofia para sa dinner mamaya. Kasi gustong-gusto niya yun. Free tayo today. May isda later. So, bibili tayo. So, yung may mga piyesta kahapon, kahapon sa aming piyesta, tapos hindi kami naghanda. Walang pera. Hindi naghanda sila, mama. Here lang nga. Here's your drink. Pia. Here. Here, baby. Drink your thing. Nagdrama na naman, oh. May na kayo maingon og no. Thank you, mama. It's here for you. Pick it up. Pick it up, nak. Sige na. Ganda ng gising niya. Hinalik-halika namin siya ng dada niya. Tapos nagising lang. Hindi naman umiyak. Okay. Dito daw ilagay. Okay. Sige, ay. Galisod-lisod. Nalabhan ko na pala to siya kahapon. Sobrang saya niya. So, malinis na yan. Mga lalabs. Gagawa lang ako ng scrambled egg. Kasi hindi. Tagal ko na din dito nagagawa kay Sofia for breakfast. Tapos, garlic. Konti lang. Tapos, ito yung kay Bana. Boiled egg as usual. Here's your breakfast, Sofia. And, naghanap na naman na makakain niya. Tinago na namin lahat ng mga chips. Pia, here. Here. Kasi alam niya dyan nilalagay, pero wala na dyan talaga. Here. Give mama a kiss.
Come on.
She wants it. Okay. Come, mama help. It's okay. No jacket because you're warm enough.
Mama kiss. Hey, mama kiss.
You're so pretty today, oy. Hi, say hi, anak. Hi. Say hi. Oh, your hands are full. You're warm enough, yeah? Sexy man na walk, oy. You look good lang ga. Hmm? Say hi. Hi, hi. Hi, hi. Here's Mama. Hey, Mama's here. Oh, it's dirty. Dada. Yeah. Bye-bye. Mga lalabs, nakaalis na pala sila, Sofia. Tsaka si Bana. Na, isang oras after sila nakaalis. Naglingkod lang ako sa, sa sala. Walang ginawa. Isang oras, wala akong ginawa. Umupo lang ako. Nagkuri-kuri sa cellphone. Relate ba kayo niyan? Parang na-waste yung aking 1 hour. As in, dami ko talagang gagawin. Pero, ay, nakakapagod din. Kailangan din nating mag-break minsan sa mga gawaing bahay. Or sa kahit ano man. Pero yung cellphone talaga, yung mga YouTube na yan, yung mga Facebook, mga social media, mga TikTok, yan. Nagkukuha talaga siya ng so much time ba. Consume ng so much time. Tignan nyo yung tanim na binili ko. Ewan ko. Parang nagluya man oy. Nagluya man ka. Parang nangihina man to. Magdilig tayo mga lalabs. Magbukas ako ng mga bintana. Kailangan negative, positive tayo. Positive, positive lang. Meron pala tayong post na natanggap kahapon. Si Bana yung nakatanggap. Kuha mo na ako ng gunting. Tignan natin. Pero alam ko na yun yung yung hinihintay ko na organizer ng bra, panty, at saka medyas. Ito yun, Ayun. Ito sa mga bra. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 na bra ang pwedeng malagay dito. Ayan. Ito naman para sa panty. Panty or medyas. Pwede siya. Ayan o. So, super ganda nito sa AliExpress ba? Akala ko plastic siya. Made of pala. Ano ba yun? Parang nylon. Nylon yung gawa niya. Tapos ito, same lang din. Ito yung medyo maliit pa siya. Ito yung sa medyas ata. Ayan o. Diba? Maganda naman. Mura lang ata nabili ko nito. Ewan ko, 2 euro something or 3 euro. Tapos bayad ako ng konting post. So, konti lang siya. Wala ka makita ganito masyado sa mga tindahan dito sa Netherlands. Kaya, at saka yung mga galing din sa Netherlands is, made in China siya, yung makikita niyo. Kaya medyo, ang China talaga, magaling mag-isip ng mga ganito ba, mga organizer, yung mga ideas nila. So, ito yung parang it's either lagyan mo ng panty or medyas. Ito din, panty or medyas. Pero parang panty ata to. Tsaka ito, yung bra. So, diba, maganda siya. Kasi meron naman akong organizer, mga lalab, yung para bang ganun lang siya, pero ganun ba siya, nakatambak-tambak. So, pangit. So, nung naghahanap ako sa AliExpress, yung tingin-tingin lang ako. Eto, nakita ko siya organizer kasi naghahanap nga ako ng mga organizer. So, dumating na siya, finally. Ito, kasyang-kasya. Pwede ito, tagda-2 bra. Normally, isa lang yung nilagay nila, pero I think pwedeng 2. Pag madami kayong bra, pwedeng 2 yung ilagay ninyo dito. So, titignan ko. Buti na yan para maano ba yung form niya. Look who's home!
Come to annoy my wife. My asawa.
I wonder why he's home. I thought something's wrong. You always do that when you're home. Maybe something is painful here,
Oh, look who's
here,
there. Oh,
and
here.
here. Maybe it's painful. No pain, Dada.
Jojo time.
What? Jar time. I'm not finished cleaning.
Oh, it's okay. No, nothing's wrong. Just afternoon off while the weather's nice. That makes a change to see the wife working.
You come to annoy me.
Of course. No, I want to get the garden cleaned up for Saturday, just in case.
Ah, okay.
So I can't take Friday afternoon off.
Okay.
First, the wife's going to make me a nice sandwich.
Extra work.
Her wifely duties.
What wifely duties?
Look after Moa.
So, umuwi. Nagtaka ako, bakit may nag-doorbell. Wala naman akong pinadeliver na something. Pag tingin ko sa bintana, ayun, sasakyan niya. Sabi ka, ay, umuwi. Tapos, pag umuwi yan, palagi talaga akong nag-worried. Kasi may, yan si Bana sa chest ba? May sakit yan siya. Minsan pag, sobra daw yan siyang stress eh. Kung bakit siya na-stress sa trabaho. Kasi dinidibdib niya talaga. Pero nakangiti naman. Pero kahit naman sabi niya, may sakit yan. Nakangiti lang niya para hindi ako mag-worried ba? Tapos sabi niya, dapat daw Friday daw sana siya mag-off, pero hindi daw siya pinayagan kasi may iba nang nag-half day. So kaya ngayon na lang kasi maglinis siya ng garden kasi bibisita yung mga Inday. Kaya in case daw maganda yung garden, maganda yung weather, pwede kami makalabas pa. Pero malinis na kaya yung garden. The garden is clean.
Just tidy up.
Tay. Garden is clean. Oh, the front, okay. Yeah. Oh, since you're here, maybe.
What?
I was planning to go out.
Where?
Actually, maybe buy something for the floor outside.
Oh.
Why do you put things there?
Because I always put things there.
Put it here then.
No, there. I know where they are. Don't change places of my stuff. Sick of it. Where's my stuff? There. Where's there? I put it where I know where it is, not where you know where it is.
And then the problem is when you ask something, where is my chair? Where is my chair? Where you put it?
Because you keep moving it.
Oh, ganon din ba kayo? Ganyan din kami.
Turn it off. Argument time. With love.
There's no argument with love.
With love.
Magagawa, laging natutulala, tuwing lumalapit ka.
Okay!
Hey, no viewers.
Ang kulit naman nito. Yeah, he's happy when he's home. Pag hindi niya kailangan magtrabaho, siguro hindi busy. I'm not yet finished here. I need... okay, that's good. You can do the ironing.
No, you can, because I'm outside.
Aha!
You mean... What have you done in the last 4.5 hours?
How dare you! Doing the ironing still. Laundry. Still cleaning here. Huh. Pero at least, I'm happy, Dada! Dada's home.
What are we going to do with the swimming pool? Take it down?
Nah.
Can't leave it open like that for the winter.
You can throw it.
What, the flamingo?
Oh, you can, yeah, you can put it down if you want to clean it.
That's your job.
Yeah, that needs cleaning, but I cannot do it now. I copied the sandwich from Germany.
Cheaper.
It's cheaper, it's nicer, yeah? The German bread. Yeah, I'm just telling him about the accident. Almost, yeah, got the accident. Tingnan natin, naglinis si Dada, mga lalak. Nag-half day in town siya para maglinis ng garden. Kasi darating yung mga Inday. Wawa naman ba na. Supportive talaga yan siya sa akin pag may mga bisita. So, dito na kami, loves. Ito yung bag ko, oh. Bolsita. Bolsita. Tapos, shoulder bag ko pa. Para hindi mawala yung aking pitaka. Si Bana is here. Aking driver for today. So sweet. Pahanap tayo ng bulaklak, mga lalabs. Maybe ito for the toilet. Ito maliit. Mga lalabs, meron ng mga Santa Claus. Oh, magkano to? How much is this? Let's see. I cannot see the price. Yan, oh, advent calendar, chocolates. Yes, chocolates. Dito din, oh, Christmas balls. Ayan. Meron na.
I think we've got every colour already, haven't we?
Meron ako lahat ng kulay sa bahay. Halos lahat. Ah, ito na lang ang mga small things. Oh. Yung ganyan na village nila, oh. Mura lang yan, $24.95.
You can add on to it.
Hanap din sana ako ng mga organizer ba ni Sofia sa mga laruan, pero wala akong mahanap dito. Wala masyado sa IKEA daw kami pupunta. Wala masyado dito. Christmas trees. Oh, Christmas tree. Christmas lights. Ayan na.
Where are we going to put it?
Ay, gusto kong bilan si Sofia nito. Mura lang. Ito na mga lalabs nakita ko. Ayan, oh. Ito na lang siguro. Maganda pa to. Wala nang iba. No? Ayan. Ito din, oh. Mura. Tsaka ito din. This too. Farm and wild animals.
A few moments later.
That? Who's that? Ah! Yeah! Hi, baby! Hi, baby ko! Wow! Was so nice with Dada? Was it so nice with Dada, yeah? Yeah? Wow! Wow! You're so pretty! With your hair!
You can tell that she's on the back now.
Huh?
You can tell that she's on the back now.
Gisana. Gisana. Oh my God! Hmm? Yes, thank you. Bunny kiss mama. Hey, you're a big girl.
Yeah, hold on.
Hold on, that does not yet finish. Pia, say hi.
Come on.
Yeah. Mama, kiss mama.
You got her.
Yes, I got her. Say hi. Hi. Say hi. Hi. Why is the baby so arty? Hmm? Mama, take off your shoes. Yeah? Watch, Mom. The egg. Here, the shoe. Yeah. Put it on the shoe first, please. Wow, very good. This is too warm, yeah? It's too warm for this cardigan. Wow! Kiss Mama. I missed you. Did you miss Mama and Dada? Did you miss Mama and Dada? Yeah. Uh-oh. Be careful. There's an egg. An egg. That's an egg. Yeah? Don't move, anak. Don't move. No. Oh, na. Ito yung ulam namin. Pasta at saka beef with bacon. Daughter. Look at our daughter. Baby pretty. Say hi. Hi. Ang laki na niya, oh. Tignan niyo, oh. Dalaga na. Huh?
Wow!
Where you go? Let's go off.
Come here, come here.
Go off the floor.
Show that the one, Dada, please. What is that? Wild animals. What is that?
Stinky plastic.
What is it, Nak?
What's that?
Hi. You happy? Kiss Dada. Kiss Dada, Nak. Cus. Ariat gitu. What is that? That is the lion.
Tiger.
Oh, tiger. Lion. Elephant.
Now it's a lion.
Lion. Deer. A giraffe. Shush. The fish will. Pero, hindi pa namin alam dahil nga sa mga nangyari ngayon. Grabe, may mukha ko wala namang magandang anggulo. Ayan. Ay, kaloka. Grabe ako matapangit na to talaga. So, mga lalabs. I-end ko na to kasi parang hindi na maganda yung aking mukha dito ngayon. Kung bago po kayo dito sa aming channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Pakiclick na lang po. And like na din po. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Ay, isa pa pala din. Congratulations kay Papi ng Team Blended. Congrats at you survive at school. You're such an inspiration to all of the others because you're working so hard. You're studying so hard despite that you have 3 children to take care of. Plus, may asawa ka pa na sobrang kulit. Na sobrang hyper and energetic. So, thank you and hopefully to see you very soon. I'm still waiting for Steph to give me a date so that we can set the date na. I'm just waiting for it. And hopefully to finally meet you in person. All the angels, si Nathan, si Tepoy, si Arya, and si Papi na din. So, yun lang mga blenders. Thank you sa inyo sa laging pagsuporta dito sa aking channel. And tsaka, yun lang mga lalabs for now. Good night!
갑자기 내게 나타나준 너 난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지